Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute ab workout for beginners. So we have 5 exercises that we're gonna go over twice. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of break. We're gonna take a quick break after the first set and then repeat that one more time. What we need today is just our mats, but don't forget your water and your towel. Everything will be low impact. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Okay guys, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 집에서 혹은 헬스장에서 하실 수 있는 10분 복근 운동을 해볼 건데요. 초급, 중급 레벨입니다. 그래서 오늘 필요하신 거는 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 말아 주시고요. 총 5가지 운동을 2세트씩 반복해 볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 그리고 모든 운동은 층간소음 없는 동작들이고요. 그리고 좋아요와 구독 잊지 말아 주시고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 자, 그럼 준비되셨으면 시작해 보러 갈까요? You ready everyone? Big circles. Reverse it. Reach up, up. Hamstring curls. Reach up. Toe to the kick to the front. Hip openers. 3, 2, 1. Other side. 3, 2, 1. Hands on your shoulders, rotate. Jog it up for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go and get started. Okay, so the first exercise, we are doing knee tap crunch. So we're going to be on the floor. We're going to be tapping knee taps. 45 seconds. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oops. I didn't know she was here. Tap your knees. Exhale up, inhale down. And then next, we're going to be on the right side, side plank disc. So elbow right below the shoulder, on your knees. You're going to keep your hips forward. So we're going to go up and down. Exhale up, inhale down. Up and down. Feel that in your obliques, your side abs, and your waist. Keep going. Take a break. Before we do the other side, we're going to be on our back doing reverse crunch. So right here, tiger. So lift your hips up, down. Exhale up, inhale down. Number 4, left side, side plank dips. Elbow right below the shoulder, hips facing forward on your knees. Up and down. Now 5 high tiger. We're doing toe reach. 5 times toe reach. We'll get a water break after this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! We're gonna take a quick water break.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're balling.
Okay, back to knee tap crunch. We're gonna repeat everything twice. One more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Now choose. You know exactly how
Exhale up, exhale down.
Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you.
Now, right side, side plank dip.
I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady.
She's like, what?
And they tell me to
Elbow right below the shoulder, up and down.
I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love.
Take a break.
Like this.
Okay, 3, reverse crunch.
But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me.
Ready? Here we go.
By the byway
Lift your
waiting
hips
for
up.
your lead. I don't wanna
Exhale
fall
up,
in
inhale
love
down.
like this. But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I think about all the years I made up, and I think don't mind the way I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay. And I
Exhale up, inhale down. Great job, everyone! You can keep your hands on your waist too. Toe reach 5 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, everyone! Okay, get water. Get water. Shake your arms out, legs out, walk around. Shoulder rollouts. 3, 2, and 1. Woo, up and over. 3, 2, and 1. Switch. 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna slightly lift up and stretch. Lean back and stretch. Good. Quad stretch, quick stretch. And then shake your arms out, legs out. 3 deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. 1 more time. And we're done for today. Great job, everyone. Those are 10-minute ab workout for beginners. Hope you enjoyed that workout. If you like more beginners workout in general, please let me know by writing the comments below, and then I'll make sure to read them and film those exercises for you. So have a great day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and the notification as well. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you for joining